Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Middleman Battaglia. I found this awesome car. I was driving around Long Island and checking something out across the street, and I found this car. It's an old bug. It's got some awesome front hood, fiberglass.
Yeah, I got extra hoods and trumpets too.
It's been sitting here at least 30 years. It's got an old New York Liberty plate on it. I'm not sure if that was put on there back then or. It's got cool whale tail, upgraded motor. I love air-cooled cars. Yeah, I'm checking it out. Sit under the tree, collecting all that sap. Check it out. Got a Hirsch shifter in there. With a real taillights hanging down. It's pretty awesome. I always like my air-cooled Porsches and Volkswagens. So guys, would you restore this car? Would you get it going? Would you leave it as is, pull the motor, maybe use the motor? Like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments down below. Got a little high performance motor under there with some Weber carbs. I just don't want to pull it away. Pretty cool. Let's check out that motor. What do you got here? There you go. Some carb action there without the air filters.
Dual carbs.
Yeah. Yeah, they got the Webers on there. What do you want for the car? Car's for sale, guys.
I have tons of parts.
Tons of parts he has.
A lot of parts over in the shed.
I get all flared out.
Wheels, rims, running boards,
It's got
shields.
a fiberglass wide wheels. Wheel wells, rear fenders are flared out. Fiberglass kit on here too. Yeah, so guys, like and share this video. Any air-cooled buffs out there like myself, Jerry Middleman Battaglia, leave your comments down below. Like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you would do with this awesome little Beetle here, with its little 80s flare to look like a 930 mini turbo. Have a great day. Jerry Middleman Battaglia. Follow me on YouTube. Bye-bye.